To use keyboard clipboard on POCO M8 5G, first of all, we'll need to open our keyboard. So I'm going to pop it open right here. And then if you can see right here, there's a clipboard icon. You can click on it and that way it will transfer you to the clipboard. And here you might need to turn on your clipboard. That way, after a moment, you should see 4 different tips. You can remove those tips already by holding your finger onto each of them and then clicking on delete. That's how you can delete things from the clipboard. Now to actually properly use it, we'll need to select the text that we want to copy. So right here we have some of the text that I used with voice input. We can select it all and then click on the copy. Now go to the clipboard again, and here in the recent you should see your text that you've copied. You can click on it to paste it into the text you're writing, and you can also click and hold it to pin it. And that way it should always stay in your clipboard. And that is basically how you can use clipboard on this device. And that is everything for this video. Thanks so much for watching.